So now we're not quite done making our bows and our ribbons yet, but we're going to go ahead and paint these first. The reason being, before we can even make our final bow for the top, we need to attach our mistletoe, so we know exactly where that bow is going to go. And then once everything's hanging in front of it, it just gets really difficult to paint. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our clear vanilla. Now you can use any sort of alcohol for this, as long as it's clear. So vodka, tequila, whatever you have on hand, lemon extract works. I like the clear vanilla. It's just me, I think it smells nice. So, but you can feel free to use, like I said, as long as it's clear and it's alcohol based, it's, you know, and it's meant to be, you know, meant for human consumption. It is more than okay to use. So what I'm going to do is, I don't want a hole. I want this to, you don't want to stretch your ribbon out of shape or have it not stick where you want it to. Now when you get back to your starting point, you can use your rotary cutter or a sharp knife if you have it. Sharp knife is probably better. There you go. Oh, good job. Now, if for whatever reason, maybe there was a little bit of stretching or, you know, it just didn't cut quite evenly, your ribbon doesn't quite line up, that is totally fixable. You're just going to want to take that same sharp knife and just kind of even it up. There we go. Mistletoe cutters, wire cutters. We of course have our 2-tier cake. It has already been covered in white fondant, and our totally lost my train of thought. I have no idea what this thing is. No, turntable. Thank you. All right. We have our 2-tier cake, which has already been covered with white fondant, and of course our turntable so that we can work easily on our cake. I have a foam mat here. Now you can purchase these at any sort of cake store or cake supply store online. I personally prefer to buy them at my local craft store. It's just the really cheap $1.99 craft foam, and it works great for floral work. And once it gets all dirty and grody from the dusting, you can go ahead and throw it away and replace it relatively cheaply. I have a plastic baggie that I have removed the top and cut down one of the sides, and I will be using this to keep my cut out gum paste pieces moist while I'm working on the other. Nicely seasoned with vegetable shortening, so it works very, very well. I have a piece of foam, and this is just what we're going to be using to dry our mistletoe leaves today. I have 2 colors of red gel color. This one is a super red, and this one is a burgundy, and this is what we'll be using for our lipstick for our kiss print. I have some clear vanilla extract. I will be using this